Hi everyone, today I am making a Gujarati dish Handva. For that we'll take semolina, gram flour, green chilli, crushed peanuts, mixed seeds, coriander leaves, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt and mix it. Now take yogurt. We'll mix yogurt gradually. The batter should be little thick. Now keep it for 10 to 15 minutes aside. Now add shredded ghee, shredded carrot and mix it. Now to make little fluffy, we'll add ENO in it. Now add ENO and mix it. Our batter is ready. Now take a pan. I took a mold for a shape, add oil, some mustard seed, some curry leaves, sesame seed, and now we'll put batter in it. Now if you don't have ring, you can make it directly in a pan. Now cook it for 7 to 10 minutes in a low medium flame. Now scrape it from the side with the help of knife. And take out the ring. Now add some oil and flip it. Now again cook it for 7 to 8 minutes in a low medium flame. Now our handva is ready. It's very healthy and crispy. Enjoy! Please do like and subscribe to my channel.